Hello crafty friends, welcome back to my channel. It's Marissa. Today I'm on with a Happy Crafters Shop design team package. It is that time again. Oh my goodness, you guys, I'm pretty excited about this one because Lisa told me she was gonna do Halloween. So let's open this up and see what goodness is in here. Look at this. She always packages it so cute. And you guys know you have to be fast on her shop because it sells out so quick. Look at this. Ooh! Okay, you guys know Pink Ape 10 for 10% off. Oh my goodness. You guys, I am so giddy right now. Oh my goodness. Oh, look at this. I definitely need sequins. So we have black flower sequence bits. Perfect. You have orange rings. How cute is that? And it's iridescent too. That's pretty. I need all this stuff, you guys. I have so many projects, shakers for ScrapDivaDesigns that this comes in the perfect time. Okay, I have never seen these before. They are called pink shaker balls and they are tiny, you guys. Oh my God, I can't wait. I cannot wait. Look at these colors. Pink Halloween is in right now. My goodness, look at this. Purple, you guys. Oh my God, I love. You guys, I'm going to come back at the end of this video. You guys are going to see. Oh. How cool is this? I'm gonna have some projects done for you guys. I'm gonna be super fast. Look at these. Oh my gosh, here's another one. How cute! A pumpkin. If you guys don't put an alarm clock on your phone to let you know, it should like be an enabler alert is what I should be saying. Oh my goodness, you guys, look at these. These are awesome. I love this ghost. Is it iridescent? No, it's just kind of pinkish, but this purple. You don't see a lot of purple. Oh my God, you guys, look at this. Goodness. Let's start with the beads. We have black rainbow, and these are 8mm, so they're on the smaller side. You have a teal, you have a violet, and you have a pink. That already just, look at this. I'm just gonna wrap these up and put them on this. How perfect is that? Like, it matches so good. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. Okay, now let's go to the charm side. So we have small pumpkin silver charms. Oh, and they're 6 a pack. And then we have, oh, what are these? Orange trick or treat bag charms. Oh my gosh. Okay, I have to open these. How adorable. Oh, so cute. And look, you could just add one there. Oh, I'm gonna have these done in like 2 seconds, you guys, because the ideas just pop into my head. Oh, look at this. Black and white pumpkin. Stop it. I have not seen these before. How cute. I've seen these pumpkins, but I've never seen these. These are cute. You get 6 in a set. Oh my gosh, her shop is gonna go so fast. Whenever she, I think September 1st, she might be listing, or next week, maybe the first week of September. How cute are these? Oh my goodness, you guys, look at these trick or treat baggies. Oh, how adorable. And they're gold. I have a little ghost that I think is gonna go perfect with this. It's black and gold. I only have one, so I'm definitely gonna save it for one of these charms to pair it up together. Oh my goodness, you guys. Look at these. Oh, I love. I need this size, a 12mm. Look at how cute are these spacer beads. I don't have these. These are cool. I like these. Whoa, look at this. These look like pumpkins, even though they're beads, but they look like pumpkins. And this is like pastel-Halloween right here, which I need because I have a pastel-Halloween project coming, so these are gonna be perfect. Okay, these are just regular pastel colors. I have some that are iridescent, and these are just solid colors. I like that. The purple, the green, and the pink. Ooh, okay, I want, oh my goodness, you guys. Sorry, I'm like, my mind. Look at this. They're clear skulls. How cool. Oh my gosh. This would be really cool if they lit up. Stick a little light in there, I wonder. Yeah, look at the hole's big enough. Okay, now I'm going to be on the hunt to find some lights and see if I can stick the little lights in there. That would be so cool. Oh my gosh, stop. Look at these white ghost scabajons. Oh. Okay, these are gonna be little charms. Good thing I have those clear bales. These are getting glued tonight. How cute. She said the pumpkins. Okay, I'm gonna figure out how does she do the charm. Oh, that one already had the little. Okay, I think these. Okay, this one broke off, so I wonder if I can drill a little hole in there and make it a charm. Is what I'm gonna do, because I think that's what she did. Yeah, look at that. How cute are those? I am so making some. And then she sent me orange transparent beads, which I need. So pretty. They almost look like little pumpkins in the shape with the little bubbling there. And then she said mixed beads, which, ooh, these look like marbles. That's what these remind me of. How cool are those? And then lobster clasps I need, and black. Oh my gosh, I just picked up black jump rings. So perfect timing. And look at for their pasteloing right here in the orange. Oh, love. Pastel school bears? What is this? Oh my gosh. These are so cool. Look at that. They're little skilly gummy bears. That's what they remind me of. Oh my gosh, how cute are these? Look at that. And they're pastels. Too cute. Too cute. These I have not seen at all. These are new. How cute. Oh my gosh. Definitely gonna play with those. And then she sent me random alpha beads. It's 100 piece. That's actually pretty good. I've not seen this color. I've seen the hot pink and the light pink and the white and black, but orange, that is such a good. I'm gonna have to shop for some more of those. And then she sent me two-tone transparent beads. These are pretty. Ooh, sorry guys, little ASMR. Look at how pretty these beads are, you guys. They're like rounded, almost like pumpkin looking. They're pretty. It's a pretty color. Oh my gosh. And then she sent me more. Ooh, orange. I still have been hoarding the white one, so I wanted to save it for Christmas. But this orange one, oh, look right here, you guys. Look at that. It's gonna be so pretty. And then this is the pink ring, and this is the orange ring. So your pink pastel, like pink Halloween. Oh my gosh, look at this. This all right here combined together is gonna make an amazing little mix. Oh, I just love this. Okay, I'm back with some ideas. I created this fun little dangle here. This one's the ready to be dangled, as well as this one. Look at you guys. Oh my god. And I did not see, I should have taken it out of the package, but both sides have the skull. Oh my gosh, I went through my stash real fast and I forgot that I had these fun little colored skull beads from I think it's Joann's or Michael's, one of the two. I think they both sell them, but you know when you get the string beads for like, I don't know, $4 for $10. Anyways, I picked one up and I've had it there, and I just thought these were perfect to add. And I did pick out some of these beads that were in my stash that I've had for a long time and just don't use them, but I thought it'd be perfect to add them. Here's the pearl ones, these little ones. How perfect are they? Look at that. They are so cute. And look at the black one. I love it. It's so pretty. It's like very iridescent. The rainbow, black rainbow bead. So cute. And look how fast that went, you guys. I am getting so much better at wire wrapping. I'm so proud of myself because I was struggling. Look at this one. Okay, so I took the charm, the black and white pumpkin charm, and added it there. Okay, I took the little pumpkin bead and I added a green little bead on top for like the stem, you know, or a leaf. So cute. Have this one, this tag, and I added 2 of the cute little beads from the new kit. Oh my gosh, I love how it turned out. I was working on this because I got this stamp that's like a cheetah print. Super cute. See how easy it is to add those beads? Well, I hope these inspired you guys, and you head over to Happy Crafter Shop. And here is my code. Definitely use it for 10% off. And thank you guys so much for watching. And definitely head over the beginning of September because her shop sells out so fast. So also don't forget to check out Happy Crafters Shop on Instagram and also here on YouTube. All right, guys. Bye.